Having trouble with a broken or malfunctioning garage door? Garage Door Company offers fast, reliable, and affordable repair services to get your garage door working smoothly again. From broken springs and misaligned tracks to faulty openers, our experienced technicians are equipped to handle any issue no matter the size. We understand how important a functional garage door is to your daily routine, so we provide same-day service to ensure you're never stuck. Safety and quality are our top priorities, and we guarantee the job is done right. On the first visit, Garage Door Company, we prides itself on professional service, transparent pricing, and complete customer satisfaction. Call us today for a free estimate and let us handle your garage door repairs.